What's up everyone, this is Ryan here, and I just wanted to do a really quick video just talking a little bit about the Profiler open source project. So I began this project roughly 2 months ago, and the goal with it was to basically create an open source application which leverages Firebase, RxJava, Model View Presenter, is unit tested, blah 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 blah. I'm sure you've already heard most of those things. So the reason why I wanted to make this video is it's kind of an introduction. So unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, at the moment I'm basically juggling, if you include projects as more than just specifically like Android app projects, I'm juggling about 5 different projects right now at the same time. And unfortunately, there's always like a hierarchy of importance that I need to deal with. So basically what I'm trying to say is the thing about this Profiler project is that like each time you build a project, generally speaking, you're going to get better and learn more things each time you do something new. Now, since building Profiler, I've actually constructed 2 more apps and really solidified my knowledge of using OAuth and Firebase authentication and Dagger 2 dependency injection and just a bunch of stuff like that. So basically what I'm trying to say is there are many things which I need to refactor in the Profiler project. If you would like a list of those things so that you don't end up sort of being led down the wrong path, my suggestion to you would be to check out the repository link below, the GitHub repository. In the README, you'll find a list of changes that I would like to make, a list of things that I'm not happy about it, just all kinds of details like that. Unfortunately, like I get a lot of comments talking about earlier episodes of Profiler and a bunch of things I did wrong, and I absolutely appreciate those comments, and it's important that they're there, but the problem is I simply don't have time to go through them all and to respond them all. So what I would suggest to you is before you jump into the Profiler playlist and look at like primarily episodes 1, 2, 3, and 4, which I sort of created initially, and that was my first attempt at a lot of different things. Before you look into those videos, I would suggest you just bear in mind that there's a lot of things that I have to improve with it over time. And if you'd like to know quite specifically what those are, you can check out the repository link. That's basically it. I'll just stand on one last thing. So it might seem a little bit odd that I would leave the videos up or sort of create some of these live videos with Profiler and things of that nature, sort of knowing that I'm not necessarily getting it done correctly. However, the reason why I do that is because my goal is not to come off as like the teacher, the arbiter of everything Android. Really what I'm trying to do is share my knowledge and experience with you. Sometimes my knowledge is going to be wrong, but the fact of the matter is that even though I don't have a degree in computer science or anything really of that nature, I have spent many hundreds and definitely thousands of hours at this point building Android apps. So yeah, some of the things I say, lots of things I say might be a little stupid, some things might be incorrect, but at the end of the day, I still think there's value in showing the entire learning process. And that includes the times when I've jumped into a new technology like Firebase and I'm struggling with it. So that's all. Basically, I will be adding, for example, chat to the application and things of that nature. But please go check out the changelog and have a quick look at there, because when I finally have time and I've caught up on other projects, I've got some really big plans for Profiler. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support, and hopefully you enjoy the videos. Have a good day.